Welcome to kidsacademy.mobi.
Hello everyone. Let's open the worksheet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can find the link to this app in the comments below. And today we're going to be looking at a worksheet that asks us to identify coins. Let's review before we get started. The first coin that we have in our currency system is a penny. Penny is a small bronze coin. It is worth 1 cent. Our next coin is a nickel. It's a lot bigger than a penny. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Our next coin is actually the smallest coin we have. It's called a dime, and it's actually worth more than a nickel. A dime is worth 10 cents. And finally, our last coin, our biggest coin with the most value, is a quarter. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. Let's remember what these coins look like and the value of each coin to help us answer the questions on the worksheet. Let's read the directions and get started right away. Check the box with the coin that corresponds to its name. Let's see if you remember what those coins look like. The first coin we have to identify is a nickel. The first picture I see, I remember that coin. That's a penny. That's the small bronze one. The next picture I see, that looks like the back of a nickel to me. Let's make sure the last coin isn't a nickel. We'll go ahead and submit our final answer. Our last coin is the smallest coin, that's a dime. So the coin in the middle is in fact a nickel. Our next coin we have to identify is a quarter. Let's take a look at the first picture. Again, I see that nickel, so I know that the first picture is incorrect. The second picture, I do see something that I think looks like the back of a quarter. But as always, I'm going to check all my answers before I submit my final answer. And again, the last coin is that bronze penny. So the coin in the middle is a quarter. Let's look at our third example. We have to identify a penny. In the first picture, I see a dime. That's not worth 1 cent. That's not a penny. Our second picture, I see our penny. But as always, I'm going to check the last answer, and there's a nickel. So the coin in the middle is in fact a penny. The front of the penny is showing. The last coin we have to identify is a dime. Well, it's not the first picture because that's the penny we just found. I think it's the second picture, but let's just check the third picture, and nope, that's a quarter. So it must be the second picture, and it's showing us the front of a dime. The second part of the worksheet asks us, check the box with the number that corresponds to the value of each coin in cents. Do you remember how much each coin is worth? Okay, the first coin I see is a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. The next coin I see is a nickel. That is the back of a nickel, and the nickel is worth 5 cents. Even though it is a coin with the second smallest value, it's actually bigger than our dime. And our dime, our third question, do you remember how much the dime is worth? Well, the dime is worth 10 cents. It's worth more than the nickel, even though it's smaller. And finally, we have a quarter. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. It's called a quarter because it's a quarter, or 1/4, of a dollar. If you had 4 quarters, you would have $1. Because if you did 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, that equals 100. We all know 100 cents equals $1. Thanks for watching, boys and girls, and remember, count your coins carefully. See you next time.
Like us and subscribe to our channel. Find links to our apps in comments below.